Talia, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tea. Today we are going to be making cupcakes! And as you know, or as you can notice, I am in a different setting because I am on vacation in Cape Cod. You know the drill. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help. And I'm going to say for the rest of my career doing YouTube. And also, today, the person helping me with cooking is absolutely my Gugga.
Cooking at Gugga's house is always fun, so let's get with it.
Let's get started. So we have 2 eggs cracked. I'm going to crack my last one into the bowl. And I'm going to put this in here. And then we're going to go bring them to the table. And I need to wash my hands. I'm not just making any kind of cupcakes. I'm making funfetti cupcakes. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pour your cake mix into the mixer. I could just put this to the side. And now you need to mix water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl. So we're in this bowl. So now we're going to pour 1 cup of water in. Our ½ cup of oil. I almost said olive oil, but I said
Not on this one.
yeah, not on that. And our 3 eggs. Now we gotta put the paddle on, and it is gonna mix up. So it's because I've seen in previous videos, I'm really bad at putting the paddle on. So now I'm gonna put this down. I don't want to beat it, so I'm just gonna set mine to 2. I don't know how exactly.
That's it. No, a little too fast. That's it.
Like you're ready to put this in, but first I want to give you guys a little tip. Look on the sides, and if you see any extra like things that haven't been incorporated in here, you want to push it down with like a spatula or something. But I want to taste it first. These are gonna be some good cupcakes.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put my cupcake liners in. The reason you want to put them in is so they don't really stick to the pan, and the cupcakes they got something pretty to be in my opinion. I'm going to scoop this into it. You don't want too much or else it can spill over. But I'm going to try to be careful and tip it a little bit.
Wipe it on the bowl.
Yeah.
Wipe it on the side of the bowl. That's it.
Put in the first cupcake liner. It's a little messy. I've never really made set the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna put these in. Have to be super careful. I'm wearing oven mitts. And tray slide out. Make sure not to drop it or anything. That would just be bad. So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes until they get brown and golden. So I'm gonna put that. And what do I do?
Nothing. It's all.
It has been actually 15 minutes. So the way you want to know your cupcakes are ready is you're gonna poke this in.
Right in the middle.
Nothing stuck to it, so that's how we know it's ready. So it takes about 30 minutes for your cupcakes to cool, so I will be back to you guys in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna be frosting my cupcakes now. And this is my sample. We got a little American flag since it's close to the 4th of July. I'm just gonna put this right here.
Now we are.
So now we finished frosting and decorating, and we're gonna taste our cupcakes. So I gotta take the little flag off. Licked it. Gonna take the wrapper off. This is more complicated than I thought it would be. Oh no!
How does it taste? Excellent. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
And we'll see you next time on Cooking with